Warning: a person in a anime-style coral brown hair. She's walking through neighborhoods and cities. She deletes anything in her way. Her name is unknown right now. Stay inside. Warning: more info about this girl has came out. We have determined that her name is Monika. Approaching Monika can put your life at risk. If you see her, do not make eye contact with her. Warning: more information has came out. Monika has been known to break into people's houses and kill them, and she is in 6 states now: Kentucky, New York, and Georgia. If you see her in your home, try to call to police immediately. Warning: Monika has taken over 88% of the planet. There's nothing we can do to stop her. The end is near. You will die soon.